Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Hope so you're doing good. So in today's session, we'll discuss on Tcode MASS. We'll be using the text file or Excel file to upload. Okay. So let's see. As we know, this MASS Tcode is used to change data in bulk. Okay. Now let's take a business scenario. Now what we'll take? We'll take a customer and we'll change its field. Okay, so I'm just right now I'm using S4HANA. Okay, so the T code is BP. If you're using SEC, the T code is X203. Okay, so randomly I'm taking one customer. Okay, so here let's say customer group is 3, so we want to change it to 02. Okay, so this is one data, but let's say we want to do in bulk, so I'll just go with T code XC16N and the table is KNVV. Okay, for the sales area data. Now okay, we'll take the customer group 03. So wherever there is a customer group 03, we'll change it. Okay, so we got this many data. Now before uploading, we need to complete the data. Okay, so these are this is the customer, sales org, distribution channel and divisor, and the customer group we want to change from 03, let's say 02. Okay, so when I type 02, it won't come. Take apostrophe 02. Sorry. Okay, now just copy and drag it. Okay, and wherever there is 00, I think system might give the error. Let me check. 00. Yeah, it's 00. So we need to take 00 kind of, or else system will give the error. Make sure to correct the data properly before proceeding further. Okay, now 0101. Wherever there is 1, it's 01. Wait, 1 second. 01. Here we go. Okay, so it's done. I'll just save this data. I think above is also 01, few more fields. 01. I think good to go now. Yes, now it's look good. Okay, just save it. Okay, now so what we need to change? We need to change this customer group. Just come here and press F1. Click on this technical information. We can see it will be stored inside the table KNVV and the field name is KDGRP. Just keep in mind this thing, or you can note it down somewhere. Okay, now we'll move with the T code MASS /NMASS MASS. Okay, you can go from here, or if you know the object directly, then you can type here. So KNA1. Okay, KNA1 will be used related to customer master. Okay, now we need to change the customer master sales area data. So table is KNVV. We'll select this one. Now come here, click on field. Okay, just now we have seen the table was KNVV dash and the field name was KDGRP. We need to take in this way, table dash the field name. Now execute. Okay, we got the field. Now select the line item and click on import data from file. Okay, so by clicking here only we can select either text file or Excel file. So both are possible. Right now I have saved Excel file, so I will be selecting the Excel file only. Okay, now select the Excel file, open. Yeah, now another important thing is this format is okay. Now our data was with header, and one more thing, before opening this thing, you need to close this thing. We need to close our file. Okay, just one more click. Okay, so our data was with header. If your data is without header, then you need to tick over here. If it is with header, then you need to tick over here. Okay, now execute. Okay, now system has opened the file. Now you can close it or you can just minimize it. Now the most important part. So here the mass Tcode doesn't know what is this 1006. Okay, so we need to define here. Select here. So it is a customer and this is a sales org. We will inform it to the system. Okay, now it's kind of field mapping. Okay, this is a distribution channel and this is a division. Okay, now this last one is customer group. So here I think there is one error with the data. Okay, it's fine. Now just execute it. Okay, so whatever changes you are doing, it will be reflected over here. Now you need to just click on save. That's it, and it's done. It is processing. Wait for a few seconds. Depend on the system. Right now I'm using the IDS system, so it will be obviously slow. A lot of people work on this data, but in real time, whether it is ECC or S4HANA, it will be done quickly. Okay. Yeah. So we'll get the further message. So it has been done or not. Okay. So this was the field 03. If I go back and come again, sorry, what I need to do, I'll just remove the, previously I have taken filter. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy the customer. Now we'll check. Provide the customer. You see, all the customer previously it was 03. Now it's changed to 02. Okay. Now the Excel file step we have seen. Let me open the file. Okay, desktop. Okay, now let's say we want to upload through text file. It's your wish. If you want to do it, we can do it. Okay, so same Tcode MASS. Select the object. We want to change the customer. No, that's why we'll select KNA1. Execute again. First you will be coming here. This inside KNVV you have to select this. Come here in field. Select the field now. So right now in system it's 02. Let's say we'll change to 01 kind of. Okay, so apostrophe 01. Here we go. Just paste it. Now copy the whole thing, Ctrl C, and paste in a text file. So this. Okay, now I have pasted and saved at a particular location. Okay, now move again in the MASS mass screen. Now click on import data from file. Execute. Now text file is saved in the desktop only, but it won't be visible. You have to come here and click on text file. Now the text file will be visible. You have to select and open. Now the most important part, you can just take a screenshot of this thing. Click on tab. Okay, the same thing will be applicable in LSMW also. Okay, now and our data is with header, so I will be selecting with header only. Execute, allow. Now again the same thing. We need to do the field mapping. So first one is customer, next one is sales organization, this is distribution channel, this is division, and last one is a customer group. Okay, we are good to go. Execute. Just save it. It's processing. It will take some time. Be patient. Come on. Yes, it's done. Now we can go in another screen, table screen. See, it's 02. I'll just click on back button, execute again. Now we can see it's 01. It's got change. Okay, so we have seen we have seen how we can upload through Excel file, how we can do the changes of, we can do mass change through Excel file or through text file. Okay, there is one more way. Okay, let's say I'm taking all this custom, there is kind of manual work only, and if all these fields, this field, all the customer group are same only. Let's say now I want to change to 02. Okay, now what I'll do, this is done, you can just click close it and come out of the screen. Okay, now we can use this mass in a multiple way. Okay, now KNVV, you need to select the field, come here. Okay, select it. Now we don't need to click on import data from file. And one more thing, you can just click on here and just paste it also, it will work, same thing. Okay, now just execute it. Now provide all the customer. Let me just copy whole thing. Okay, so it's got copied. 19. If sales of 1, then you can provide, or else it will take all the sales of wherever the customer is present. So be sure before proceeding in this way. Now everywhere it's like 0101, and we got few fields. I think the customer was present in another sales of also. So I told you, be sure when you are proceeding with this type of method. Okay, now at once we can change all this field also. So let's say I want 02 to be applicable for all this field. Select here. Okay, now click on perform mass change. One second. You see, it's got change 02. Now just save it. Come on, come on. Okay, so it's done only, and you can see the message also, it's all green. Okay, click on back, come out of the screen, it's done. Close the screen. Okay, now we can check again. Now we have changed to 02. Go again, everywhere it should be 02. See, so so what we have seen today, so in last session we have used the general method. Okay, so we have changed manually. Let me show you the last screenshot which we have used. Okay, so same screen we have gone, and we have taken only one data, we have changed over here. Okay, now we have taken mass data also, and we can change from the perform mass change. We can change by using perform mass change method also. Okay, now we have seen by using the text file and through Excel file. I think this much only. If you have any doubts regarding to this, so you can just let me know. So I will there will be a WhatsApp group link below my YouTube channel. You can just join there, and if you have any query, there will be many people to help you out over there. Okay, so thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye bye.